Welcome back. The labourers at the under construction South Goa District Hospital site have made a Ganesh idol out of local mud and their own artistic imagination. Loria branches of the Fatorda Youth Association has prayed to the god for speedy completion of the work so that the South Goans get a better hospital. It's been a long time since the ready structure is waiting clarity of plans on utilization of the hospital building.
The South Goa District Hospital site, structure ready, but functional plans yet to be finalized. Caught up in the policy-making stage, hospital awaits major finishing works. Amidst all the clouds, the labourers of this site have handmade this Ganesh idol and will be celebrating Savat for 5 days.
हम लोग 2011-12 में जो है बाहर से लेके मूर्ति आए थे। इस साल हम लोगों ने सोचा कि यहीं बनाते हैं। मैं खुद एक जो है पुजारी हूँ। गणेश चतुर्थी के टाइम में मैं कभी गया नहीं, हम इधर ही जो है पूजा करते हैं। हम 5 दिन मनाते हैं।
5 दिन मनाते हैं।
जो बनाया है वो एक्चुअली घर गया है।
हाँ।
खर्चा हम सब मिल के किए, पूरा हमारा जो सब हमारे जितने भी सीनियर्स हैं जो भी हैं सबने सपोर्ट किया।
Loria branches, an active member of the NGO Fatorda Youth Association, prayed for speedy completion of the hospital.
आणि हिंगाचे जे लेबरर्स आहे पळय, लेबरांनी एक गणेश आयडल केला आणि गणेश आयडल केला की ती याच मातींतन ताणी ती आयडल केली, ती सुंदर आयडल ताणी केल्या। एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल जे आता साऊथ गोवा बांदूंक ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केला आणि एक कन्स्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीशन जाला, जाल्यार ताका लागून हांव मानता आणि हांव मागता गणेशा लागीं गव्हर्मेंटान अजून पर्यंत तांणी तोखली ना कितें करपाचें, पॅरा मेडिकल करपाची और डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल करपाचे और कॉलेज करपाचे म्हणून.
Facilities at the hospicio aren't enough for the South Goans. The facilities and the building is getting dilapidated and outdated. People want the new hospital building to be in operation soon, but the lack of clarity at the government level has delayed the commissioning. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Many Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav mandals have taken the security guidelines and terror alert by the state administration seriously. Some could not afford it. However, the Ganeshotsav organizers in the capital city of Panje seems like they don't want to take any risk. Watch our report.
Panje ka Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal is celebrating 11 days Savat. From security point of view, CCTV camera have been installed and police personnel are deployed 24/7.
5 दिवसानंतर कार्यक्रम आसा सगळ्या ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर, फॅन्सी ड्रेस आसा, फिल्मी डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन आसा, 7व्या दिसा गणहोम, 10व्या दिसा महाप्रसाद आसा. सिक्युरिटी खातीर आमचो ओन सिक्युरिटी आसता एक आनी प्लस CCTV कॅमेरा बसयला आनी पुलिसाचोय सहकार्य मेळटा. तेंचे 4 जाण आसता, रातचे 2 जाण आसता.
कितले कॅमेरा?
कॅमेरा 4 कॅमेरा आसा, सारके फूल एरिया कवर जाता तशी केल्या आमी.
This is the main Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal of Panaji. Hundreds of residents of Panaji and nearby places visit this Ganesh every day.
People of Panji are celebrating Chavat with full devotion and joy. Security arrangements are also very much in place. As you can see here, the security cameras are installed and the police personnel are monitoring this for 24 hours. With video journalist Omkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
South Goa Comunidad building is in a very bad condition. Situation is worsening day by day. Staff is working under the threat as roof of the age-old premises is on the verge of collapse. The important and decades-old documents are stacked here but are unsafe. Administrator Sangeeta Naik says tenders for renovating the building will be floated very soon. Samir Bhatt reports.
52 years old Goa South Comunidad premises in Margaon is facing worst days of its existence. The walls are blackened and weak, roofs are leaking, documents of antique value stacked in open and shoddy cupboards. The state of this premises is pitiable. So is the situation of the employees working here. There are 10 employees working in South Comunidad. Administrator hopes that situation will improve.
Already आम्ही हाज्या पयलीं बी टेंडर फ्लोट केल्लो फॉर रिपेयर्स ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, टायर रिपेयर्स, पण सिंगल टेंडर रिसीव जाल्ल्या कारणान टेंडर ओपनिंग वेळाचे सगळे मेंबर्स आशिल्ले कम्युनिदाचे तांच्यांनी अशें त्यांच्या म्हऱ्यान अशें रिजॉल्व जालें की सिंगल टेंडर असल्या कारणान तो एक्सेप्ट करपाचो ना एंड वी शूड गो फॉर फ्रेश टेंडरिंग. नाव द इश्यू हियर इज ऑल द कम्युनिदाds आर सपोज टू contribute to the repairs of the building. Administrator of Comunidad ज्या बिल्डिंगेन आसा कोमनीदाद बिल्डिंग जाका म्हणटा ताका.
Office of South Goa Comunidad will be shifted to the next section once the renovation begins.
जेन्ना पळय काम चालू जातलें तेन्ना आमचो दुसरो सेक्शन आसा, दुसरो हाफ जो आसा ह्या बिल्डिंगेचो, जंय पयलीं डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर पंचायतचें ऑफिस आशिल्लें थंय टेम्पररीली शिफ्ट जातली आमी आनी मागीर हांगासरलें काम चालू जातलें एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वील मॅनेज.
South Goa Comunidad premise also houses Office of Deputy Director of Panchayat, Zonal Agriculture Office and Goa State Cooperative Bank. The building was inaugurated in 1962 at the hands of Military Governor of Goa, Daman and Diu, Major General K.P. Candid. Employees and people visiting here hope for a early renovation of this premises, as the sick structure poses a threat to their life and documents. Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.